Thank you for tuning in. This tutorial will focus on how to first install ASAP onto your computer or PC. If you would like to try the ASAP system, please submit a query at the link in the description and we will have someone get back to you with a trial license so that you yourself will be able to try out the ASAP system. When you first submit a query and are provided with a trial license, you will receive an email somewhat similar to what you see on the screen here. From this, you will follow the link to the new software portal, and that will take you to an account with the files. These include the release notes as well as the installation guide. Nonetheless, we will be walking through a video installation here of installing ASAP on your Windows 10 computer. Without further ado, let's click the link. And from here you can press the download button. Your download is in progress. And so here we'll wait for a second to load. After it is installed, you may see that it has a warning here that says it might not, to make sure that you trust this source. We are currently here at Breault working on getting this error resolved. Nonetheless, this is a fully functioning system that you yourself can keep. So in whatever option, press the keep option, and from here ignore the warnings and insist on keeping anyway. From here you can open the file and begin the installation process. Once again, you will receive another protection. Simply press more info and it will permit you to run the system anyway. You'll see here this account control portal. Simply press yes and continue from here. From here, you should have received a code that said, you should have received a code with the password. So we will copy it here and we will put it into this here and press OK. From here, we install the necessary systems. In some places, you might not have all the requirements. Nonetheless, ASAP will pull them up and you will be able to install them as seen. Simply press yes on all the necessary software and then it will continue to install. Now you will see the install wizard pop up and tell you it's preparing to install the system. Simply wait a few minutes as it extracts the system. And here you can press next, and after this it tends to be very intuitive and doesn't provide further warnings. So simply press next and install, and then the system will begin to load. As you can see, it's currently configuring and we will return to this after it has completed the install. And now you'll see that the system has finished installing. From here we can press finish and we should see a desktop icon available here on the desktop. So we can double click it and wait for it to start. And thus we will have the example of a lens system that's built in, and we can wait for it to begin. And thus you have access to the full ASAP interface. We will continue to have tutorials available here and do our best to help you with further questions. If you have any queries of things you would like us to talk about, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll try to see how we can accommodate wherever possible. Thank you very much, and we hope to continue to support you in all your optical needs. Thank you very much.